to head into Robbie's room and give you guys a little tour. This sign right here from Dollar Tree is a lie. His room has never been cleaner. I'm so excited. Can I come in, Robbie? Alright, so here is a look at Robbie's room. It's finally all painted. The color on the wall is the same color we used in Austin's room and in my kitchen. It is called Repose Gray by Sherwin-Williams. We got it at Lowe's. And this is Robbie's bedroom, so I'm going to give you a little tour. When you first walk in the door, off to the right here, we have this little coat rack that my husband hung where Robbie can hold his bags and his hats and whatnot, so that is great. And then right directly in front of the door is this closet system. We put this in. This came from the Rubbermaid Home Free collection, I think. It's one of these customizable closets where you just hang the track system and then you can set up the shelves any way that you want. So we have his tops and his jackets and coats and things hung on this bar, and then his pants are all here. He's got a couple of shoe racks, though he has more shoes than what will fit on the rack, and we're going to buy him more shoes today at Kohl's. So, you know, it is what it is. But some of these will be retiring here very shortly, so I'd like to keep it so that he has just 6 pair of shoes, but you know how that goes. On this shelf he keeps his t-shirts and his shorts. He also has these here. These are phenomenal for smelly teenager shoes. They're like little charcoal bags that you just put down inside the shoe, and it absorbs the smell, so those are awesome. He also has his different accessories and stuff here on this shelf. Up top he has his pajamas and hooded sweatshirts, a couple of shoe boxes that are storing some things up there. So that is his little closet tour. These fabric drawers with sort of the faux leather fronts are really nice. These came from Lowe's. The whole closet system actually came from Lowe's, and the wooden hangers came from Amazon, which I will link those hangers down below. I love having all matching hangers here, and it just keeps everything so neat and organized. Robbie has disappeared on us, but that's okay. It gives me an opportunity to show off his desk. So this desk is very old and very worn out. You can see he's inevitably going to need something that is a little bit nicer, but it's working for now. This came from Walmart 5 years ago or so, and it just holds his computer. He has all of his office-y stuff in here, plus some random junk. Apparently that drawer didn't get cleaned out. He has his soccer picture there, his remotes and things, and he's got a little solid air freshener here. And then we have his bed, which is a twin size bed. He's getting a little big for it. Eventually we would like to upgrade him to a full or a queen size bed, but this is working out for now. The bedding is from Amazon. The comforter and the pillow sham, it actually came with a set of sheets as well, but these sheets are not those. I'll link the bedding down below. The sheets came from Walmart. The blanket, I believe, came from Walmart as well. He has some stuff stored under his bed. It's not a very large room, and there's no closet that is actually closed, so to store a bunch of stuff in the bottom of a closet wouldn't work since it's all wide open here. Sort of a walk-by closet style. So he does have some stuff stored under his bed. He has his tackle box and his gym bag, some free weights and stuff under there, so I don't mind that. He makes his bed every morning nice and neat. It's fine. We have our chinchilla, Hagrid, hanging out here. He lives in Robbie's room, and he is super cute. He's sleeping right now because it's daytime. And then off to the left we have his entertainment system. So he has a 42-inch TV. He has a sound bar. That's basically it in terms of electronics. He does have a Amazon Fire Stick hooked up here, so he can watch basically whatever he wants. We don't have cable in our house. He eventually wants to hook up our Wii U in here. We just haven't quite finished setting everything up, but that's that. He has some books here. In these drawers, I think it's just junk. He's got stuff just stuffed in here. That's how teenage boys clean, you know. Most of these are actually empty, so that's good. More books here, so there's that. And he just has his laundry hamper. So other than that, on the floor is a brown area rug. This came from Ollie's Bargain Mart. We had it in our living room for quite a while and just moved it in here. I think it works really nicely in here. And yeah, that is his room. It's very simple. He doesn't have a lot of stuff. We keep it kind of minimal, as minimal as possible, with the exception maybe of his closet. He has quite a few clothes. I did a whole bunch of shopping for him just a couple of weeks back at Kohl's. I will leave that haul for you guys in the little card up in the corner if you guys want to check that out. But yeah, that is his room. We do want to get him a full-length mirror to go on the back of this door, so that is still coming. But other than that, he's pretty much done. He definitely still has posters and stuff he wants to hang, but it's basically just a blank canvas right now, and we're loving it. Before we put this color on the walls, he had this really dark, ugly olive drab, like green color in here, and it was not doing this room any justice. So I definitely like this color a lot better. The curtain, by the way, was made by Robbie's grandmother, and I think it matches very nicely in here. So that's Robbie's room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe so that you never miss a video. I will link Austin's bedroom tour in a card right now or down below so that you guys can check that out if you're interested. But overall, he's very happy with his new room, and hopefully he manages to keep it clean. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!